Guys, I'm playing Ouchy Bird. Somebody told me to get it, but I was playing Flappy Bird, so I got it. I'm like, okay, what do I do? What do I do?
Did you just download Ouchy Bird?
Yeah. I'm talking to my friend. What do I do? Oh, wait. What do I do?
What is it?
Like, really?
Wait, want me to help?
Oh, I know how to do this. Ooh, crap. Right? You can't hit the fan. Like, oh, wait. Oh, I'm sorry.
Oh, I know how it works.
Darn it.
Here, want me to try?
Hold on. It just keeps
Here.
here. My friend's going to try.
Okay, let's try this. Oh, wait. Oh, so you're not supposed to let it touch the fan. I was so close, don't worry.
Yeah, like really, that's like confusing. Like how? Look.
Oh, that's so hard. Wait. Oh, so close. How? Oh,
No.
I did it.
No. You
Ah!
got 1-1.
Yeah. Oh, I'm not supposed to go that way.
I know, right? Like my friends are confused.
Sorry. Oh. Oh, I swiped it the other way. How? Ooh. Come on. Ah!
Here.
Okay, go
I
ahead.
was letting my friend take over. He's like, God.
Hey,
Oh.
I got one. I'm beating you
I-
right now.
I'm like, I got one too. Wait, I don't want to hear this. Like, why does every time a ad has to pop up? I'm like, really? Listen, if I had an ad. Oh, I'm like, how hard is this? Like, there we go. Oh, I'm just like, how do we do this? Dude, if you guys download this game, I bet you guys will be confused. Like, this random guy just went on there and asked me to download it. I'm like, okay. And I downloaded it. If I'm dying so much, please, like, really. Please be sorry for me. Oh. Okay, listen. Go down. There we go. I'm going. Oh, how did that go up? I meant to go down.
I should do
Okay. This is getting crazy now. I'm so suckish at this game. Why do I keep going that way?
hard. Very.
I know. Even my friend knows it's hard.
It's hard. That is very hard. How are you supposed to get past that?
I don't know. Like, really. I think you're just gonna have to learn.
Here, you want me to try?
Here, my friend's gonna try again.
Oh. Really? Okay.
I can't help that.
Yeah, let's move the thing over here just in case I accidentally touch it. Oh. Did you see that?
Oh.
Oh, so close. Oh yeah, it was. You can't do it where the bird's going. You have to time it just right. You have to time. It's like so close, but. See,
Oh
you
my
have to
gosh,
like go
it's
up
just-
and then back.
Oh, it's just an ad
Ah.
again.
It's an ad. Okay, all we have to do is press skip, then back.
Yeah.
See?
It's
Right,
just
right.
all these dumb ads.
Oh, see? See, you have to
But,
time
like,
it exactly
yeah.
right. That one was going fast.
Yeah, like really.
See, you have to time it right.
Like we don't get.
Oh, can you double ouch them? Wait,
Wait.
I just hit it in the butt.
Yeah, we could ouch it. Like,
I hit. I'm so cruel.
I in the thing.
Oh, one.
If that.
There's no way.
There's no fast
Guy-
way to get by.
Yo,
one.
tell your fans to tell you in the comments
There's no one.
How? What score are you on, Ouchy?
Oh!
2. Yeah!
Oh my god!
I beat it.
Dude, this guy just asked me to do it. This is. Oh.
Aw.
We had to stop the video right here. Okay, bye everyone. Hope you enjoy. Like, comment, and subscribe.